Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to completely uninstall a software from your Windows PC. Press the start button and type Control Panel. Click on it and go to Uninstall a program. In this list you can see all software that has been installed in your PC. Let's say I want to uninstall Handbrake. Right click on it and press Uninstall Change. Confirm by clicking Yes. Confirm it by clicking Yes. As you can see, the software has been successfully removed from the computer. You can delete any software that you don't need from your PC with this guide. This is a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.